Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 4,520. We expected crude oil to stay in buying, but we thought we can buy when the price drops near 4,460s. But right after the price opening, the 4,520 provided constant support and pushed the price higher. And you could see that it was a perfect sideways movement, but constantly supported by 4,520 and closed near 4,554. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 4,580s, above the yesterday's high, which means that still you can buy crude oil by maintaining stop loss near 4,490. You can go for buying in crude oil, expecting that the price can move up further. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.